Make a great choice today with
the 2023 Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior and excellent off-road capability and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: emergency braking preparation, stability control, front suspension type, double wishbones, front suspension type, strut, power brakes, braking assist, traction control, airbags, front knee, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, electronic messaging assistance with read function. Your new ride is just a phone call away.